Hello and welcome to Paul Sherry Conversion Vans. We are one of the largest conversion van dealers nationwide, and we ship nationwide. All of our products that you see on our website, the vehicle we're showing you right now, we can literally put this vehicle in your driveway for you. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of this with a full description of everything that's involved with this vehicle, please visit our website at sherryvans.com. That's SHERRYVANS.com. Today we're showing you a 2020 Ram ProMaster City. This is the wagon edition, guys, which is going to give it seating for up to 5. But the cool thing about this vehicle is we converted this vehicle to be a mobility van. So not only do you have seating for 5 on all the regular seats, you also have a 6-seat, or you have space for a 6-passenger in the rear of this vehicle. Guys, this is one of the cheapest mobility vans in the country. And like I said, guys, we can ship this vehicle directly to your driveway very easily and very, very quickly. This is the exterior on this color, as you can see, is a bright silver. On the inside, we do have all your basic features with power windows and power locks. We also do have a heated seat here in the front, cloth seating, as you can see. This vehicle also does have hands-free capability on the driver's steering wheel, located right here. So you can literally program your phone directly into this radio here, and you can easily answer your phone by simply hitting the phone button and carry on the conversation directly through your speaker system. On the right-hand side, we have all your cruise control features, and on the back-hand side of the steering wheel, you can adjust all your radio functions, whether it's the volume or even the channel. I was going to try to show you, it's got a piece of film over here, but this is a touchscreen radio. It does have AM and FM capability in there, and you can also add media into this radio if you'd like, and it has a built-in compass. All your climate control features are located right here in the center. Automatic transmission, a couple cup holders down here, and you also have a 12-volt DC charger. You have 2 of them to be exact. Moving on to the rear center bench, which is going to give you your 3 passengers right here. As you can see, there's child safety hooks built in onto the 2 exterior seats here, so you can safely and securely strap in a car seat into this vehicle. Plenty of rear leg room for the customers or the people in the back seat. And there's something I didn't show you up front because I was too close, but right above the driver and passenger seat, there is a knick-knack area. You can put stuff up there. Very nice area to have for storage. On the back of this vehicle, this is where the mobility aspect comes into it. As you can see, we have a ramp here that comes straight out the back. We modified the rear end of this, inside and outside of this vehicle, to accommodate this lift system. As you can see, we do have 4 tie downs that are built in that come with the vehicle. Very, very nice system, very easy system, very lightweight system, so it makes it easy on the end user, you the consumer, when it comes to using this vehicle day in and day out. And it's very light. I'm going to show you how this works. I'm going to use one hand on the camera and then one hand on the lift, so it may be a little awkward, but you simply can lift it up with one hand, as you can see there. Simply slides into place just like that, and there's 2 lock systems on both sides. Simply push it down and it locks in place. As easy as that. I did it with one hand. So it's a very nice system to have, very quick system, and a very, very affordable system when it comes to mobility. This vehicle does come with a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty from the manufacturer. It also is going to come with extended coverage on the powertrain, which gives it more value when it comes to mobility. Makes it an all-around awesome vehicle at an amazing price point. Like I said, this vehicle is located at Sherry, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram. We're also known as Paul Sherry Conversion Vans. Our website is sherryvans.com. That's SHERRYVANS.com. Guys, we ship nationwide on all of our conversion van product and mobility van product. So no matter where you're located in the country, we can bring this van to you. And like I said, guys, with this being a conversion van, it is the cheapest mobility conversion van in the country. We stock them here at Paul Sherry's. If you guys are on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like. Guaranteed, so you can guarantee you see all of our new arrivals just like this one here today. And for the guaranteed best deal on any new or pre-owned conversion van or mobility van, make sure you always shop Paul Sherry, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram, or online at sherryvans.com.